Now for a check of your Fox 47 forecast.
Fox 47 meteorologist Brian Bachman back with another look at your neighborhood forecast tonight. A day that at least saw some dramatic improvement in air quality. The sky was actually blue out there today before isolated showers and thunderstorms started popping up in many of our neighborhoods. We take a look at Doppler radar tonight. You can see some storms more or less sitting in place over parts of eastern Clinton County into a good chunk of Shiawassee County. Anywhere from Owasso to Perry, you've been dealing with some light to moderate, even at times heavy rain over the last hour or so. And then these downpours seem to be trying to trickle gradually farther southwest. A new shower developing on the immediate north side of Lansing, just outside of DeWitt, may indicate that some of that wet weather will find its way into the Capital District over the next half hour or so. Other showers moving through Jackson County into Jackson proper, actually showing some signs of weakening or at least splitting apart a little bit, with one downpour on the southeast side of Spring Arbor looking like it's losing a little bit of its steam, and other downpours trailing into the Hillsdale area. We'll watch the rest of our neighborhoods here too for the potential of another few pop-up showers or even a brief storm this evening. But much like yesterday, once we get beyond sunset and start to lose daytime heating, this activity will shut down pretty quickly. Overall setup, not a whole lot to really key in on locally here. We're kind of in this just vague area where there's no real particular systems in control. High pressure's gone. Nearest next notable system is a cold front moving in across parts of the Dakotas. That's producing some cloud coverage, and well out ahead of it, even some very light broken showers in parts of Iowa and parts of the Upper Peninsula. All of this just allowing a much more humid air mass to begin gradually drifting in from the southwest, and that's going to lead to increased humidity levels for us over the next few days and really settling into a dog days of summer kind of weather pattern here going into the upcoming weekend. But looking at the storm potential for this evening, continuing through now to about 8 o'clock, we'll see some leftover spotty showers or a storm into the early part of this evening. But like we said, once we get beyond sunset, those showers and storms come to a very quick end. We'll see mostly clear skies take back over in many neighborhoods around 11 p.m. and then partly cloudy skies straight on into tomorrow morning. Looking at the start of our Thursday, we start off with some sunshine. We'll keep that going with hotter and more humid conditions through the lunch hour. And then much like today, some isolated showers or a few storms will begin to pop up here and there around 3 o'clock. Not likely to be quite as numerous as what we've seen out there for today, but still a few of us may encounter a stray downpour or two into the first part of tomorrow evening. Then again, we mostly quiet down overnight tomorrow and repeat the process going into Friday with another chance for a few spotty storms to round out the work week. For tonight, isolated storms early, then partly cloudy, low temp around 65 degrees. Then in your 7-day forecast, keeping it hotter and more humid for tomorrow. See a high temp of 88, isolated storms possible, near repeat performance on Friday. Then we settle into the 90s for Saturday and Sunday with heat indices in the mid 90s before we go back to the 80s next week with a continued chance for